Yes, guys, welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. In today's video, we are gonna try out beer yamins and them curry conch. All right, me so them have the best curry conch in a Lucy, in a Hanover, Jamaica. So today we decided to go, swing by, pick up the food, and try it out. So here it is. This is the conch, curry conch. See there? It's not chewy, not tough, just right, nice and tender, and the seasoning is like the right amount, guys, right amount, well balanced, and it's spicy. Not spicy where you can't eat it, but it's like the perfect spice. And I also order a side of the fresh veg. I didn't want any rice. Well, I'm not gonna lie, guys. This conch is everything. This is A1, A plus, guys. See there? If you're in the area, if you're living in Hanover, Lucy, to be exact, go and try them out. If you've never tried them out before. If you tried them out already, go and try them out again. Go and try them out again because most of them food, keep getting better and better, and it seems like it's true because every time I go, the food keep getting better and better. Wow. This is the conch soup that we order. The conch soup, they added coconut milk inside the conch soup. That's different. I've never had conch soup with coconut milk inside of it. And they add small chunks of like breadfruit, banana, pumpkin, okra, a little bit of everything they add to it. The soup is very good. All right, back to the conch. The curry conch is everything. How's your stew beef, Deandra? Good? Let me be the judge of that. Well, by the looks of it, look, guys, Deandra clean up our food already. This is stew beef with rice and peas. Wow. Oh my God. This is it. Guys, the stew beef, wicked. Wicked. In a good way. If you're Jamaican, you know what that means too. Oh my God. Wow. Yes, guys, so the curry conch, the stew beef that Deandra made me try, and the conch soup, everything that we tried, everything that I tried was amazing. Like 10 out of 10, guys. Like 100 out of 10. It's that good. Trust me, and like I said, the name of the restaurant is Beer Yamins, and they are located in Copperwood, Lucy, Hanover. Yeah, man. All right, Deandra, so how was the food overall? Because you tried the stew beef, you had the conch soup, and you've had the curry conch before, like a few days ago.
I've had the fried
The
chicken.
fried chicken before, and today I tried the curry conch. So how was your stew beef? The soup, yeah, the seafood soup yesterday. Like, how was today? Today we are talking about, not the previous stuff, but today.
Okay.
How was today?
Well, it was good. The stew beef was delicious as usual.
Yeah.
Yes, very tender. The rice and peas is flavorful as well. You can taste the coconut
Coconut
milk.
milk, well seasoned.
Yeah, and the shredded raw veg. It was good too. You could taste the crispiness of the cabbage and the freshness of the vegetables.
Yeah.
Vegetables.
Vegetable. Yeah.
And I also tried the conch soup today. That was good. It's the first
With the coconut milk, first I'm
that I've
trying it
tried it with
yeah.
the coconut milk.
It's different.
Yeah,
It's
it's
different.
good.
You're still tasting the conch flavor. The coconut milk is not overpowering. You know, you're not overpower the flavor, the conch and everything. You know, and like I said, the curry conch, it's the best. It's the best curry conch I've had in years, you know, here in Jamaica in a while. I've had it before, but every time I tried it, nothing bad about it.
I'm not a fan of the conch though.
Yeah,
For
because
some reason, like the flavor
it's
is
potent.
very strong. Like
Yeah.
it's overbearing to me.
Yeah, like with the conch, you can't really eat too much because, like she said, the flavor of it,
Very
it
strong.
can become a little bit stronger or potent, you know, after a while. Gliding, you know,
I could
So-
stand it like in the soup.
in the soup.
But not in like
But
not in the Jaden come distract.
yeah, nothing what?
Not in like a plate, like on a
Yeah,
plate.
yeah.
Yeah,
Too
it's
much.
Too much.
Yeah, so you just need like a spoonful, like,
Yeah,
like
I
a
just
tablespoon.
taste it.
Okay, just tasting, yeah. Yes, guys, but because the conch here and the conch that they have in America is two different type of conch. I'm not sure if you know about that, but the conch here is different.
I mean
Most Caribbean, yeah, 'cause it's Caribbean, and it's a Caribbean water.
Yeah.
Because the conch that they give us over there is from like somewhere else, maybe Peru or one of them places, one of them countries there. Yeah, it's
I'm
not.
not sure.
No, man, I tell you, it's not the same, and that's why the flavor of it, what we have here, is different. Yeah, but with that being said, guys, you know everything was amazing. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching again. Until next time, peace.